Hello subscriber, today our topic are different type of a computer memories which will be used or record during the electrical annex system or any graph of a electrical system. So we are starting our topic. Before, please subscribe our channel to get the more update like this. So we are starting just like in a human brain, the digital devices such as a computer, microcontroller, smartphone needed a space to store the information. Information needs the space to store the information in the instruction. This storage space called the memory or a computer memory, and the building the block of a memory is called a memory cells. In a simple word, the memory is an electrical circuit or a device capable of storing the information temporarily or permanently. So we are discussing about the first step of a memories or types of a memories. What kind of a type of a memories are used in a computer or any electrical system or in a HMI system to restore the data to know what kind of a fault or occurs on the devices. So primary memories, secondary memories, and cache memories. First, we have explained about the primary memories, means just like as a RAM, and other one part is a ROM. So we have talking about the RAM. RAM is a SRAM, DRAM, NVRAM, BRAM, FRAM, etc. And here is another primary memory systems are in PROM, EROM, and EROM, and the ROM and OTP. And we are discussing about the secondary memories: HDD, SSD, compact disk, floppy disk, magnetic tape. Cache memories are memories which will be after some time that will be deleted. Give us some time and then will be deleted. The computer memories is classified into the three main type: cache memory, primary memory, and the secondary memories. Computer memory is a physical device capable of storage information temporarily, like as a RAM, means a random access memory, or permanently like as a ROM, means read only memory. Memory devices utilize an integrated circuit or are used for operating a system in the software and the hardware. Some people have a confusion about what are the three type of a computer memories. The three different computer memory type is a random access memory, are called as a RAM, RAM, read only memory, ROM, and third one is a secondary memory. RAM and the ROM, the chip that make up a computer internal memory, comes in the total board flavors known as a RAM, means random access memory. The ROM, read only memory, means RAM is a chip member, thinks only while a computer is powered on, so they are used for storing whatever a computer is working on the very short terms. What is internal memories of a computer? The typical refers the main memories, but a main refers of a ROM, flash memories, either case internal memory, and generally refers to the chip rather than the disk type of a some call the disk drives in the memory product, which only added to a confusions. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribing me and also press the bell icon to get the more videos like this. Thank you.